Everybody knows the story of Ghazwa Tabook, the battle of Tabook. 3 Sahaba, they are dying and they're really thirsty. Nephew of one comes next to his uncle and he says, "Uncle, drink some water." Because his uncle is crying for water. He's screaming for water. He's about to drink some water, and the next person lying on the floor, lying on the ground, he's asking for, and he's injured very bad. And he asked for water. What did he say? Did he take a quick sip and then tell his nephew to go on to the next one? No, not even a quick sip. Is he blood related? No, he's not blood related. Is he a neighbor? Who knows? Maybe he's a neighbor or not. He's not even a neighbor. He's not related. He has no connection except with the connection of Iman. And he says, "Give it to my brother. Maybe he's in more need. He's more thirsty than me." He moves on. He gives the water to this next injured one. And then before he is about to take a sip, another one cries out. The same thing happens. He reaches the third one. He dies of hunger, thirst. He comes back to the second one. He passed away too. And then he comes through his uncle, the first one. And he has departed to the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What happened? This was the solution, because the solution was given. Because the solution was given by the beloved Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Because the solution was given by the Quran Hakim.
वीडियो के नीचे सब्सक्राइब के बटन पे क्लिक करें, बेल के आइकॉन पे क्लिक कीजिए ताकि हर नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए।